A $30 human hair blend unit. Thank you. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Wig Caps. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into this review, just know your girl is still sick, so I can't really hear how I sound. My ears are clogged, so so I feel like I'm yelling. So if I'm yelling, I'm sorry. I feel like I've been taking and trying everything and nothing is really working. So I may just need to ride this out and hopefully it'll be over soon. But you know, I missed y'all and I wanted to go ahead and get myself together. So here we go. Before we get into this beginner-friendly install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. 'Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head, baby.
Okay, so the look is given. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Wig Caps. It is brand new from the company Laude & Co. Laude & Company, I think that's how you say it. This is the unit VALE. I got her in the color TBH1B/613. And this unit does retail around $30 to $35 on the site, depending on what color you choose to get for this unit, okay? Now this is my first time trying this brand, and if I'm being honest, my hopes were a little low, okay? I didn't really know what I was expecting, but I will tell you I wasn't expecting this, okay? Out the pack, this unit does come with lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It does come in the middle part, so before you ask me, I wouldn't necessarily turn this to the side because of how straight back the part is, but if you want to try it for yourself, you can definitely do that. It doesn't say how much heat you can use on this unit, but I did use heat, as you saw. I used my flat iron, and I had my flat iron on 310. I would say keep it at 350 and below. That's normally the sweet spot. The texture for this unit is definitely given more of like a silky, I was about to say silky yaki, but it's not. It's not silky yaki, but it's not like that silky synthetic either. It's like a, I don't know, it's a really nice soft texture, but it's silky. So with that being said, there are a lot of flyaways on this unit, y'all. And when I say a lot, I mean, y'all saw that I used my light silky spray and my wax stick to get my flyaways together. The more this hair moves, the more flyaways are gonna kick up. Now, as far as the tangling, I would say I didn't get a lot of tangling, but I did get a lot of snags. Yes, there's a difference. Tangles means, you know, I'm having trouble getting them out. I gotta use my paddle brush. Snags are more like I can pick them through with my fingers and be good to go. But it is a human hair blend unit. A $30 human hair blend unit. Thank you. I didn't do anything crazy with this unit. I did go in and pull some hair out the parting space in the hairline to kind of open up a little bit. It doesn't give you that much space in the parting area to pull out too much hair, but I do suggest you pull out enough to give you some space, okay? The unit is pretty basic on the card. It's a straight back middle part, like nothing crazy. The color is what makes it extra. Y'all see it has this 613 here in the front. I'm pretty sure it's also white hair in there. What's TBH? Y'all see the baby hairs are kind of tucked on the side of my wig. I wasn't swooping nothing. I wasn't gonna do it, so If you want to go ahead and swoop something, then go ahead and do that. My lace is a little, it's not as blended as I want her to be, but I really don't have the patience to keep messing with her. I really don't, y'all. I'm sorry, I know. But if I step outside, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the V in the parting space to open that up so I don't gotta deal with that middle, you know, line of demarcation, because, you know, I can see that with my glasses off. And y'all know I'm blind, okay? So I know y'all can see it. But shush. For some reason, the way I'm seeing it, it's looking like there's like gray hairs in the back of my unit just because of how they mix this in. It's not giving highlights. Like some of it's kind of chunky, but the rest of it's kind of like, you know, just kind of in there. So I don't really know if I like that as much as I like the chunky highlight here in the front. But I think if it was more chunkier around the wig, I probably wouldn't like it as much. So I'll deal with the back later. Right now, I'm worried about how I look in front of me, and in front of me, I feel like I look good. So Laude and Company, Laude, is it Laude? Lloyd, not Lloyd, it's Laude. Laude, I don't know. Laude, I don't. This, okay, that. I will be trying this brand again because I feel like they may have some hitters. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Wig Types for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.